In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Blinkist app. So if you are experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe the app can't open, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take, and in the first method, you need to access the app info page. To do this, go to your phone and look for settings. And from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And then on your Android smartphone, click on manage apps or all apps, depending on your version. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same. On the list, look for your app. You can see my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search function here. If you tap on it, now you can see we are on the app info page. So this is where we want to do our troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back and then look for your app. And once you find it, long press on it. And we have these three options: share, app info, and uninstall. Choose app info, and this will take you to the same app info page. From here, the first thing we need to do is to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see the breakdown of data on this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. However, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data down here and then choose clear cache data and OK. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open your app to see if this problem has gone away. In most cases, this should be able to fix most of the problem. However, should this not solve your problem, again, come back to this app info page and go back to clear data, and this time around, choose clear all data and OK. However, should this not solve your problem, then head to the third method, and for this, look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. So if you see we have an update, go ahead and update it to the latest version, and this will go ahead and fix any bugs or security issues related to your app. From now, go ahead and open and start using the latest version of this app. However, should this not work, then you might want to uninstall the app and then install it afresh. And now this should fix any problem or bugs that might be related to your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.